C. From the rising of, then G, the sun, to the E minor, setting of, then okay guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The last time we learned in the C shape, the key was E. The key was in E. It was in E. So we're going to try to stick to the same key E, but in different shapes. So if you watch my first video on this same tutorial, I mentioned I will go from C to G shape. So in the G, so we want to find which notes where we can put this couple on. Realize that the normal G is played over here. That means that the note G is the open note. It means that if we need to put a couple to get the E, we need to find the note E on the third string. Then it means that the couple will come on the ninth fret. But realize that the more we use the couple, the more we get closer to the part that will be difficult to play. That's why it's advisable to be able to play in any other shape that will help you to move your couple away. So want to continue. So it was so we started from the 6th, then the chord 6, that's going to be E minor in G, then 5, then 3, so E minor, D, E minor, then B minor, realize that it becomes difficult playing from, then C. Please note that the chords I'm mentioning are not the exact chords. It's just because reference to the couple. So E minor, D, E minor, B minor, then C, D, E minor. So then from the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. So from that, so C, from the rising of, then G, the sun, to the E minor, setting of, then D, sing, then A minor, that's the re, your name is, then B minor, to be E minor. So let's start from the top. Sing, your name is to be hallowed. for watching this video this far. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and hit the like button, the notification bell, so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you. See you next time.